In this video, I'll be showing you how you can submit Google Form multiple times with Randomizer. So first you need to go to Chrome Web Store and then you need to search for Borang, B-O-R-A-N-G, and then you need to search for this one, Borang Screen.xyz, spam Google Form like a champ. Click on this one and add to Chrome. Once it is added, you can go to your Google Form and refresh it. On the right side, you will see this blue color thing and you need to click on experimental because for now, randomizer is experimental and it only works for radio buttons. It doesn't work for checkboxes. First, you need to make sure that you are signed in because we will be relying on Google's feature, which it will save your selected answer. After that, you can just fill in your form. And then as for this kind of question where you want to randomize, you need to click on any of the answer. So after you click on any of the answer, you need to refresh the page. Okay. For example, let's say I want to randomize this question, huruf. I just click any of these, right? And then I need to click on randomize. So it will turn into green and you won't be able to click on any of the answer. But for this one, I'll just let it not randomized. So as you can see that I have 0 responses here. And when I submit the form, let's say I submit 10 times and then I click OK. And I'll wait for the form to be submitted. And it's done. Then I go to the responses. As you can see, the checkboxes, it submit what I selected. For huruf, it submit the randomized answers where I only select one, right? But it randomized the answers for me. But for nombor, it submit the answer that I selected because I didn't click the randomize button. So please bear in mind that this feature is experimental and it can change in the future. I'll keep updating on the way how it works. So if you want to know the updates, maybe you can subscribe and like this video. It will be really helpful. And thanks for watching.